My name is Martin. I'm director of bars at Rosewood, London. We are a Scars bar. This is our main bar, named after Gerald Scar, who is a famous British caricaturist. We teamed up with the Bruichladdich to celebrate the Earth Day, which is on 22nd of April, and the idea was to create a bottle cocktail to use the ingredients which normally would be wasted. After researching top wasted products in the UK, apples are number 3. The apples look really unwanted. They're almost brown, rotten, which are actually perfect for the fermentations. Also, we use a bit of sherry, Tío Pepe dos Palmas in the drink to bring a little bit of nuttiness and length the drinks to make sure that it's perfectly balanced. Another flavor profile what I personally really wanted was the parsnip. Parsnip flavor with time, I think it really complements Bruichladdich flavors. What I find unique on the classic Gladdy is you can see the small code where you put it in their website, and you see where the barley was grown to the what cask they use, which is specific to the bottle which you hold, so you can really understand what liquid you have inside. Bruichladdich is the first Scotch whisky distillery to be B Corp certified, which means they put planet and people in line with the profits. I think the temperature in this drink is very important. Make sure it's nicely chilled. Once you open the bottle, I suggest to put it over ice. Also, I think it works well if someone wants to drink it as a long drink with a bit of tonic. So a bit of top-up tonic water, you can't go wrong. For every bottle sold, Bruichladdich will be donating to charities to plant trees. It's a great initiative to give something back to the planet. I really hope people will enjoy this drink. I hope to see all those people at the bar once we open. Enjoy, and I hope to see you soon.